Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. I'm Yukigesho. Today I'm going to talk about two major home cooking Japanese salmon restaurants. There are two major home cooking Japanese meal restaurants. In this restaurant, you get to eat a healthy, well-balanced nutrition meal as they offer Japanese home cooking dishes. There are many variety of ingredients are used. That's why these dishes are suitable everyday meal. I will introduce two recommended menu from each two major home cooking Japanese set meal restaurant. One is Ootoya. Concept of Ootoya is colorful nutrition, so additive free to make the best use of ingredients, and wisdom and ingenuity that is particular about one meal that fills each person's mind and body. Basically, which means provide healthy meal. Recommended menu. One is black vinegar sticky sauce with Sangen pork and vegetable set meal. It costs 950 yen. That's $8.60. In this menu comes with rice and miso soup and small salad and dried radish as well. Sangen pork is pigs that are mixture of three breeds. Mortifying three breeds produces pork that takes advantage of each and is a well balanced and high quality pork. And black vinegar sticky sauce is entwined with 6 kinds of vegetables and Sangen pork, which is rich in vitamin E and has a bit of sweetness. The thickness of meat is just right and the texture is exquisite because of the best frying time. Second one is grated radish Japanese plums chicken cutlet set meal. It costs 990 yen. That's $9.20. In this menu comes with rice, miso soup, and pickle. The chicken cutlet fried crispy with raw bread crumbs after receiving the order, which is crispy on the outside and moist and juicy on the inside. For eating, dip the chicken cutlet with soup stock, so it is a light and refreshing taste food. It is really matches grated radish and Japanese plums. This dish is very popular, especially for the female. And the second major shop is called Yayoiken. Yayoiken is serving the authentic taste of Japanese home cooked meal and offer Japanese traditional style, one soup and 3 vegetables based set meal. Freshly cooked rice and side dishes and soup are lined up in one tray. So naturally, people are able to take well-balanced nutrition meal. They offer free pickle and free refill rice. And recommended menus are, first one is Yayoi Gozen. It costs 890 yen, and that's $8.10. You can enjoy a wide variety of side dishes such as simmered dishes, grilled dishes, and tempura fried food. If you want to make these dishes at home, literally take forever. It is very Japanese style to take a small portion from each dish. It is very satisfying for eating because of the variety of food at one meal. Then second one is salt grilled silver salmon set meal. It costs 790 yen, that's $7.20. The large greasy Chilean salmon is used. After ordering the this silver salmon, the skin is crispy and flesh is fluffy. Eat with grated radish and lemon. It is very common Japanese home-cooked meal. It's common people eat this type of meal for breakfast. I sometimes eat this salmon, grilled salmon for the breakfast. If the salmon is not fresh after cooking, the flesh will become dry, but this one is greasy salmon, so after cooking the moisture is still inside. That's why it has a nice soft texture and it is not too salty as well. Japanese home cooked meal is use so much variety of ingredients. That's why it's so healthy and suitable for daily food. And Japanese dishes are very time consuming to make, so these restaurants are very convenient for eating a daily meal. Today's Japanese vocabulary that I want you to remember is teishoku, which means it's a set meal. So not come with only the main dish, also comes with side dishes like rice and soup and salad. That is called teishoku. And then one more thing I want you to remember, Japanese vocabulary is家庭料理. That's a home cooked meal. The kate is home, and ryori is the cooked meals, so dishes. If we want to say Japanese home cooked meal, then you can say in Japanese 日本の家庭料理. Yeah. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, press subscribe button. And also let me know what is your favorite Japanese food, and if you know about any Japanese dishes like restaurant, then please leave the comment section. Yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.